Hello everyone. Today we will solve a few very most important MCQs on Information Technology Act 2000. So, those who are preparing for All India Bar examination or any law competitive exams, this video lecture will be very helpful for you all. Hey everyone, my name is Sangeeta. Welcome back to this channel. Be legally aware. So, without any further delay, let's start today's session. The Act 2000 came into force. Options are देखिए October 17, 2000, October 17, 2001, October 11, 2000 and November 11, 2001. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. That means the IT Act 2000 came into effect from October 17 October 2000. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. Okay. To next question. Next question is how many schedules are there in IT Act 2000? Very important questions. Options are 3 schedules, 4 schedules, 6 schedules and 2 schedules. So in this case the correct option would be option B. That means there are total 4 schedules in IT Act 2000. So in this case the correct option would be option B. Okay. So now moving to next question. Next question is which is the act which provides for legal framework for e-governance in India? Options are IT Amendment Act 2008, Indian Penal Code, IT Act 2000 and none of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means IT Act 2000. That means IT Act 2000 provides for legal framework for e-governance in India. So in this case the correct option would be option C. Okay, so now move to next question. Next question is our which section of IT Act deals with the legal recognition, okay, legal recognition of electronic records. Options are Section 2, Section 5, Section 6 and Section 4. So in this case the correct option would be option D. That means Section 4 of the IT Act deals with the legal recognition of electronic records. So in this case the correct option would be option D. Okay, so now moving to next question. Next question is what is our component of IT Act? Very important question. Option A, legal recognition to digital signatures, regulation of certification authorities, digital certificates, all of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option D. That means legal recognition to digital signatures, regulations of certification authorities and digital certificates, all are the components of what? IT Act 2000. So in this case the correct option would be option D. Okay, so now moving to next question. See, the next question is our the section deals with legal recognition of digital signature. Options are the section 3, section 5, section 6 and section 4. So in this case the correct option will be option B. That means section 5 of the IT Act deals with the legal recognition of digital signatures. So in this case the correct option will be option B. Okay, so now on to next question. Next question is the section deals with the use of electronic records and digital signature in government and its agencies. Options are section 3, section 5, section 6, section 7. So in this case the correct option would be option C. That means section 6 of the IT Act 2000 deals with the use of electronic records and the digital signature government and its agencies. Okay. जितना भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन किया जाता है एंड डिजिटल सिग्नेचर मेंटेन किया जाता है कहाँ पर इन द गवर्नमेंट एंड इट्स एजेंसीज all these have been mentioned under section 6 of the IT Act. Okay, that means section 6 deal करता है सभी के सभी electronic records and digital signature of the government and its agencies. So this is very important questions. Okay, so this is very important questions. So section 6 is the correct answer. So in this case the correct option would be option C. Okay, so now into next question. Major amendments to IT Act 2000 was introduced in the form of IT Amendment Act 2008. Okay, which came into effect. That means जो हम लोग का IT Act 2000 है वो फिर से amend किया गया था. ठीक है, इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था, अमेंडमेंट हुआ हुआ कौन सा ईयर में? 2008 में उसका फिर से अमेंडमेंट हुआ था. तो उसका डेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट का कौन सा है? सो यहाँ पर डेट ऑफ एनफोर्समेंट कौन सा है? ऑप्शन सा देखिए 1 जून 2008, 27 अक्टूबर 2009, 27 अक्टूबर 2008 एंड 3 जुलाई 2009. सो इन दिस केस द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वुड बी ऑप्शन बी. दैट मीन्स 27 अक्टूबर 2009. So in this case, correct option would be option B. Okay, so now into next question. IT Act 2000 amended various sections of which of the following act? Options are Options are Indian Penal Code 1860, Reserve Bank of India 1934, Indian Evidence Act 1872, and Banker's Book Evidence 1891. All of the above. So in this case, the correct option would be option D. That means all of the above. That means IT Act 2000 amended Indian Penal Code, Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, and Indian Evidence Act 1872, as well as Banker's Book Act 1891. So तीनों को amendment किया गया था, ठीक है. So in this case, the correct option would be option D. Okay. So now moving to next question. Next question is about which among the following act is not amended in Information Technology Act 2000. इनमें से कौन सा एक्ट है जो अमेंडमेंट नहीं किया गया था ड्यूरिंग दैट IT Act 2000. ओके. सो ऑप्शंस आप देखिए. द बैंकर्स बुक एविडेंस एक्ट 1891, BSNL IT पॉलिसी, देन RBI Act 1934, द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872. So in this case, the correct option would be the option B. That means when the Information Technology Act was passed, that time the Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891 it was amended. then उसके बाद RBI Act 1934 it was also amended, and Indian Evidence Act that was also amended. That means बहुत सारा definitions and sections के provisions को changes किया गया था. So as per the the new rules of the Information Technology Act 2000. So बट इन BSNL IT पॉलिसी इधर कोई भी अमेंडमेंट नहीं किया गया था. सो इन दिस केस द करेक्ट ऑप्शन वुड बी हम लोग का ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी. ओके. सो नाउ टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर controller of certifying authorities work under. Options are the Prime Minister Office, Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Communication and IT, and autonomous body. So in this case, the correct option would be option C. That means controller of certifying authorities work under Ministry of Communication and IT Act. So in this case, the correct option would be option C. Okay. Okay. So now into next question. Next question is about which act in India focuses on data privacy. Okay, very important question. Focuses on the data privacy and information technology. Options are the Banking Regulation Act 99, IT Act 2000, Indian Penal Code, and IT Amendment Act 2008. The correct option would be option D. That means IT Act Amendment 2000. Okay, 2008. So in this case, the correct option will be option D. Okay. So now move to next question. Which section of IT Act deals with the appointment of controller of certifying authorities? Options are the case section 17 of the IT Act, section 15 of the IT Act, section 10 of the IT Act, section 5 of the IT Act. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. That means section 17 of the IT Act 2000 deals with the appointment of controller of certifying authorities. So in this case, the option A would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. Next question is our which section of IT Act 2000 deals with the punishment. Okay, deals with the punishment for cheating by impersonation by using computer resources. Options are the section 66D, section 66C, section 66B, and section 66F. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. That means section 66D of the IT Act 2000 deals with the punishment for what? For cheating or impersonation by using computer resources. Very important question. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. Okay. So now into next question. Next question is our what section of IT Act deals with the hacking of computer system and its penalties? Very important question. Options are the section 65, section 66, section 62, and section 67. Option will be option B. That means section 66 of the IT Act 2000 deals with the hacking of computer systems and its penalties. So in this case, the correct option will be option B. That means section 66. So now move to next question, and this is the last question. Okay. See, what is the term of office of the presiding officer of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal? Okay. Options are देखिए 3 years, option B 4 years, option C 6 years, and option D 5 years. Okay. 5 years. So in this case, the correct option will be option D. Okay, that means 5 years. Okay, that means term of the office of the presiding officer of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal is 5 years. So in this case, option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so this is for all today. If you like this lecture, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.